Hi, I'm Deborah. I teach yoga and meditation. On behalf of Dusky Leaf, I'm here to talk to you today about slipping and sliding on your yoga mat. When you're practicing yoga, do you find that your hands and feet tend to slip? If you're using a brand new yoga mat, don't give up just yet. Mats differ depending on what they're made out of, and some mats have a protective film on them. They just need to be broken in like a new pair of shoes. This film can feel oily or glossy, but the good news is that this protective film does wear off with practice. So the more you practice, the faster it comes off, and your connection with the mat will improve. It's a good reason to practice more, right? Now, if you're impatient like me, that's okay. Just take a cloth and wipe your mat down every time after you practice. You can also use this cleaner by Dusky Leaf. Helps to keep your mat nice and clean, and it smells great. If you tend to sweat a lot or you practice hot yoga, you'll find that your hands and feet do slip on the mat, especially when you start to drip all over, and you know what I mean. It's just that your hands, your feet, and your mat are a little bit too wet. Here's where a towel can really come in handy. Dusky Leaf makes a great one called the Zeroslip Yoga Towel. I find it works best to practice as normal on your yoga mat. And when you find that you're starting to sweat and your mat gets a little bit slippery, take the towel and place it over your mat. Continue practice as normal, and the more you sweat, the better it works. Perfect. The Zeroslip Yoga Towel is machine washable, so you can keep yourself, your mat, and your towel clean and dry. As you practice yoga, one of the virtues that we develop is patience. So as you're waiting for your yoga mat to break in and be more comfortable, just enjoy the process. Enjoy your new mat, and of course, keep practicing.